This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a modern Chrome version and some audio ready. Once done, open Settings now. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then select Settings or type Chrome//Settings and press Enter. Make sure you're signed into Chrome if you want sync. For a single device, skip that. You're starting the process. We'll navigate Accessibility next to Enable Captions system-wide. Keep audio or a video tab available so you can test immediately after enabling Captions. Once in Settings, type Captions in the search field to jump straight to Accessibility. You'll see Live Caption. Toggle it on and accept any permissions Chrome requests. This enables real-time transcription of audio and video. If offered, download language files for offline or low bandwidth use. This improves accuracy and reduces latency. Make sure your preferred language is selected so captions match speech. Once enabled, test on a YouTube video or any audio tab to confirm. Play a video to verify captions appear in sync. If they lag, pause and resume or reload the tab. You can change caption size and language from the Accessibility section. Make sure the correct language pack is installed. If captions do not show, first restart Chrome, then toggle Live Caption off and on. If still failing, clear Chrome cache or redownload speech files in Settings. As a last step, update Chrome to the latest version. Outdated builds often cause caption failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.